Darigold is owned by a cooperative of 350 farmers, which are very passionate about the dairy itself, and we have one of the largest co-op in the Northwest. One of the exciting things to be the largest co-op is you can set the industry standards. You lead by example. What motivated Darigold to transform is staying ahead of the curve from competition and staying relevant in the industry. So we have a lot of legacy application, and that was getting to a place where it was not being supported, and we wanted to continuously evolve, be more nimble from a growth perspective, be able to look at our foundational tech system architecture that is nimble enough so that we are able to add on if we want to do more M&A activity or divestiture activity. One of the big cost factors for Darigold is in the logistics space. So having good visibility was very crucial before we are able to send the product to the customer, especially given the shelf life of the product, the make date, the expiration date, all of that had to be very accurate. So without having those in one unified lens of order management, Oracle trade, transportation management, and global trade management, that was causing a big challenges in terms of the whole execution. What made us go in the Oracle direction is the comprehensive suite of products that Oracle offers. We know that Oracle is investing heavily in the cloud. We have almost 20 subsystems or third-party bolt-on systems that are going away, and everything being consolidated into Oracle Cloud. Bringing fleet management in-house was essential for Darigold. We were looking at all the sales and distribution under one lens of moving into Oracle's order management, and then its natural integration into Oracle Transportation Management and our compliance documentation with global trade management. Everything was a seamless fit from an execution perspective. My conviction is 80% of your business process from the CPG industry is solved within the Oracle Cloud. So pretty solid reason why you should stick to Oracle.
Hey, did you like what you learned? Make sure to check out this video or this link, and of course, subscribe now.